Kung kantang to, alam niyo itong lahat. Basta may nag-i-ukulele ito, laging nire-request. And sakto din sa panahon natin ngayon, sa panahon ng crisis. Dahil yung crisis natin dulot ng gera. At hindi pagkakaintindihan. When you hear this song, anthem to ng lahat. Lalo na sa panahon niya. At magandang makita yung mga bata na naglalaro lang. Hindi nila alam kung ano yung nangyayari sa mundo. At sa kanila, para sa kanila, walang iba. Sa kanila, basta maglaro lang silang lahat. And everyone is included.
Sometimes I lie under the moon. I thank God I'm breathing. And then I pray, don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for something that tears to drown. But I never let it get me down. The negativity surrounds. I know someday I'll turn around. I've been waiting for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children will play souls of the innocent, blood red flame, keep on moving through the waters they raging. In this maze you can lose a way. I drive you crazy, but don't let it fade you away. No, cause my tears are dry, I'm never letting get me down. Surrounds. I know someday I'll turn around. All my life I've been waiting for, I've been grateful for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. No more wars, and our children will play. One day, one day.
Wow naman. Ang galing.
Some parents hope that today you feel na hindi kayo nag-iisa. Na binigyan kayo ng ganitong mga anak for a special reason. For a world that is inclusive. For a world that caters to the least, the lost, and the last.
Nasaan na si ano?
Lakad-lakad.
Saktong-sakto yung lyrics na para sa inyo.